Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to live stream mobile games on TikTok. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily live stream all your favorite mobile games on TikTok. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your phone settings. Now once you open your phone settings, scroll to where you can see apps and notifications depending on the phone that we're using, and then you click on application settings. Depending on the phone that you're using, you can just click on apps and notifications and you can see all your applications over here. So now scroll to where you can see your TikTok application. Scroll to TikTok. So just look for your TikTok application. Now you can see my TikTok over here. Just click on that. Now once you open your TikTok application, you can see storage and cache. Now clear cache of your TikTok application. Once you are done with this, all you need to do is to just open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, search for your TikTok. So search for your TikTok application over here. Now once you search for your TikTok, you need to make sure your TikTok application is updated. So if your TikTok is not updated, you need to make sure you're using the latest version of this TikTok application. Please, this is on TikTok. I'm not talking about TikTok Live. This is TikTok, so you need to make sure you're using the TikTok. If you're having it, update your TikTok, but not on TikTok Lite. So you have to take note of this. Now once you have updated your TikTok to the latest version, go ahead and then open your TikTok application. Now once you open your TikTok application, you click on your profile and you can see my TikTok account over here, Freedom108. Now you can see these options over here. You can see home, friends, inbox, and you can see profile. Just click on this plus sign in the middle over here. And once you click on that, you can see camera, template and live. Scroll to where you can see live. So scroll to live. Now once you click on live, you can see device camera and you can see mobile gaming. Just click on mobile gaming over here. You can also see live studio. So just click on this and you can see add topic at the upper left corner. So once you click on this, you have to select the game you want to play. So you can see so many games over here. You can see eFootball, you can see Subway, you can see Call of Duty. Please, some of the games will appear in portrait mode and some will appear in landscape mode. So you have to make sure you play the game that you select over here. So just select the game you want to play, but if your game is not here, no problem. All you need to do is to just scroll to the last end. If your game is not here, you don't have to worry. Just click on others over here. You can see other game and then just select your game. And once you have selected this, just click on go live and everything you do on your screen will be screen recorded. So you can just select the game you want to play over here. So just select the game you want to play, and any game you play or anything you do on your screen would be live streamed to your followers or anyone on TikTok. So with this, you can live stream all your favorite games on TikTok. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new